Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a crafting table in Minecraft. So guys, first you need some wood, and after getting enough wood, you have to collect them and press the E button in your keyboard. And guys, take the wood and keep it in this box, which is divided again in 4 types of small boxes. And guys, now after keeping the wood in the crafting box, collect the oak planks and keep it with you. And guys, now again click on the E button and take those oak planks and keep it in the crafting box, and keep those oak planks in all 4 boxes. And guys, now you can see that I've got crafting table. And guys, now you can see that I've got crafting table. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and meet you all guys in the next video.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind.